Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Lock Your Learning. Friends, in this video, we are going to solve worksheet number 13 of subject mathematics. Date is 16th August 2021. The class is 6th. Here you write your name and here your class teacher's name. So topic of this worksheet is to know our numbers estimation, the concept of estimating sum. Okay, so let's read what is given to us here. So Mrs. Devsena goes to the market with rupees 2000 only to purchase some gifts for her kids. Cost of two gifts which she liked were rupees 1175 and rupees 449. Do you think Mr. Devsena has enough money to purchase these two gifts? So what you will do is you will add these two numbers 1175 and 449 to find out that she has enough amount of money to purchase the gifts. But well, in a case when you have to hurry, you estimate the sum that will you be able to have enough. Now that is what it is called, estimating the sum. Okay, so see here what is written. Amrinder and Katappa tried to estimate the total cost in the following ways. Okay, so solution done by Amrinder. Let's see here what has he done. So first he has written the cost of first gift, that is rupees 1175. He has rounded off to 1200. So he has rounded off to the nearest nearest hundreds. Okay, next is the cost of second gift, rupees 449 is rounded off, so that is 400. Okay, next the total estimated of gifts is 1600. So what he has done is that first he has rounded off these two numbers according to the nearest ones and then he has added them. So what does he get? 1600. This is what it is called, the estimated sum. So that means he is estimating that she will need to use this much of money to do what? To purchase the two gifts. Now let's see the solution given by Katappa even. So this is the cost of first gift is rupees 1175 is rounded off to 1000. Okay, then the cost of second gift rupees 449 is rounded off to rupees 0. So total estimated of cost of gifts is rupees 1000. Now do you think is this correct or is this one correct here? I think that this solution given to us by Katappa is wrong. Why? Because if you see, if Katappa has rounded off this 1175 to the nearest what? Nearest thousands, then 1000 is fine. But if he has rounded off to nearest 100, then 1000 is not fine. And if you see 449, there is no chance he can round this off to 0. Either it will be 500 or 500, 400 by estimating. So that is totally wrong. So the solution given to us by Katappa is wrong and solution by Amrinder is correct. So estimate sum is what this, that you are estimating the actual value and then adding to get the sum. So it becomes little bit easy to add the estimated values rather than adding the actual values. Would you round off to hundreds as done by Amrinder or round off to thousands as done by Katappa? Think and discuss with your friends and share in WhatsApp group of your class. Okay. Read the following conclusions. Number 1. Estimation should be reasonable and logical. So your estimation should be logical and reasonable. There is no rigid rule, but it depends on the degree of accuracy required. So your estimation needs to be accurate even, and there is no rule for that. There is no rigid rule, there is no strict rule. Then third one is how quickly estimation is needed. Okay, so these are the three conclusions which are there for estimating the sum. Therefore, we may conclude that estimation done by Amrinder is more accurately estimated as this is more reasonable and more logical. Next you see here is estimating sum. Question 1. Estimate 18,891 plus 4,201. So round off to thousands here. 18,891 rounded off to thousands will be 19,000 and 4,201 rounded off to thousands will be 4,000. Then you simply add them, that is 23,000. That is the estimated what? Estimated sum. We call it the estimated sum. And when you add the actual values, that gives you the actual sum. Estimate 429 plus 8691. So you see 429 is rounds off to, so here there is an error. 429 is rounded off to nearest hundreds, that is 400s. Then 8691 is again rounded off to the nearest hundreds. Okay, so it is 8700. Now you need to keep one thing in mind. If you are rounding off to nearest hundreds, you will do that with the second number too. And if you are rounding off to the nearest thousands, you will do that with with both of these numbers. So this is not going to be like you will do now round off to nearest 100 with one number and round off to nearest thousands with another number. That will be wrong. Now see, we have studied estimated sum, which is adding these. Now we have estimated difference, which is subtracting these. So estimate 9876 minus 6789. Now you can simply round both of these off to what? 1000. 9876 is 10,000 and 6,789 is 7,000. Now 10,000 minus 7,000 is 3,000. So this is estimated difference. Question 2. Estimate 90,476 minus 10,241. Okay, so 90,476. We have rounded this to the nearest hundreds. Okay, nearest hundreds. And 10,241 is rounded off to nearest what? It is rounded off to nearest hundreds. So estimated difference becomes 80,300 after subtracting these two numbers. Now let's see what's given here. Next down we have this. Let's do column. So let's see. So first question is 841 plus 181. Now if we see, we get, yes, 841 will be equal to what? You see the digit at tens place 4 we have. So you will turn this two digits to 0. So 841 will be equal to here 800. Okay. Then 181 will be equal to what? 200. If you estimated 200s, then simply add these numbers. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 8 plus 2 is 10. So what this gives us? 1000, which is the estimate of what? Estimate difference of 841 and 181. Next is 2,400 and 6,891. Okay, so let us see 2,400 here. And then on the other one we have 6,891, 6891. So let's see how will we add them. So what we can do is we can round these numbers off to the nearest what? Nearest thousands. Okay, or maybe we can do this to nearest hundreds. So round off to nearest hundreds here, 100. Okay, so let's see. So if you see 2,400, it is already rounded off to nearest hundreds. So there is no need to make any change. 2,400 will be like this. And then 6,891. So 6,891 will turn to what? 6,900. Okay, now add these two numbers. So what will you get? 0, 0, 9, 4, 13. Then 1 carried. So 6 to 8 1 is 9. So estimate becomes 9,000. Okay. If estimated to nearest hundred, next is 9875 plus 5478. 9875 plus 5478. 9875 plus 5478. Okay. So this is the question. 9875 plus 5478. So what we will do here is that we will let it, okay. Now see, so 9,875 here will turn to what? Yes, it will turn to 9,000. Sorry, it will not turn to 9,000, it will become 9,900. Okay, so 9,900. Next is 5,487. Sorry, 478 here. So this will turn to 5,500. Now add them. So this is 0, 0, 14, 1, 6, 9 plus 6 is what over here? 15. So 1 and 5. So this becomes 15,400, which is the estimate sum. Next is what here? So this is completed. Now question 2 is estimate difference. 8,299 minus 5,000. Okay, so 8,299 here minus 5,000. So what we will do is, sorry, just 1 0 here, round off to nearest 1,000. Okay, so if you will round off 8,299 to nearest 1,000, that will give you 8,000 here. And then you see 5,000 will be what? 5,000 only. Okay, so now what we will write this as? We will subtract. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is 3,000. That is estimated difference between these two numbers. Okay, now let's see the next question here. So this is 9,999 minus 5,421. Okay, so 9,999 minus 5,421. Okay, so now let's see what we will write this here. So we will do what? Round off to nearest hundreds. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so now we will see what we will write here. Just a second. So let's see what we will write here. So 9,999. If we round this off to nearest nearest hundreds, that will be what? 10,000. Okay, now if you see 5,421, this will be rounded off to nearest what? Nearest hundred, so that will be 5,500. Okay, so see 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 5, we will take 1 from here. This will turn to 9, then this 0 will turn to 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 5 is 4, 4,500 is the estimated sum of 9,999 minus 5,421 when rounded off to nearest 100. Okay, now we have 2,541 minus 524. Okay, so let us see. 2,524 minus what here? Sorry, 2,541 minus 524. So this will be 41. Now see what we will do. Round off. Now we have a number in hundreds place. So round off to nearest 100. Okay, so let's see what will we get if we round off to nearest 100. 2,541 will turn to 2,500. Okay, now next is what here? 524. So 524 will turn to what? 500 only. So 500 here. Now subtract. So 0 minus 0, 0, 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0 and 2. So this is 2000. That is estimated sum of these two numbers. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also leave a like on this video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, wear a mask, maintain social distancing and take good care of yourself. Bye bye.